Good morning class 12th. Welcome you all in Classroom Notes by Rekha Jain. And today again we are going to discuss MCQs. You all know that amidst this pandemic disease, schools are locked down and teacher and student communities have to cope up in the present scenarios. Almost all the schools are conducting unit tests and which are possible only in the form of MCQs. So is the case in English. So we are trying hard to make the student community abreast with MCQs even in English. It's the time to come again with more MCQs based on more chapters. So have I brought you the same type of exercises, and I have taken the questions with 4 options. Although I have not given the answers, I have given the answer of each question towards the end of the exercise, so that first you can try and then you can tally your answer in order to assess where do you stand. So let us start the exercise. Our first question is from deep water, and initially 4 to 5 questions are from the same chapter. So let us discuss. First question, at the pool, Douglas just stood. Now there are 4 options. A, as he was scared. B, as he didn't know swimming. C, he tried to copy others, and D, all of these. So you will think which option is correct and later you will tally. Question number 2. The rope attached to the belt went to a pulley for A, for support. B, for hold. C, for flexibility. D, none of these. Question number 3. Piece by piece in the chapter, Douglas means A, in small pieces. B, stepwise. C, piece after piece. And D, all of these. Question number 4. All we have to fear is the fear itself means A, we should remain away from fear. B, we should not let fear come to us and scare us. C, the will to live causes fear. And D, fear is our worst enemy. Question number 5. Sudden strangeness in the poem Keeping Quiet is A, of busy schedule. B, of quietness. C, of disturbance. And D, all of these. Question number 6. Fisherman stands for A, man hunting fish. B, man in the sea. C, man hunting animals. And D, all of these. Question number 7. Green wars stand for A, war with green weapons. B, war between countries with green flags. C, environmental pollution. And D, all of these. Question number 8. Shade symbolizes A, environment of peace. B, shade of the tree. C, goggles. And D, none of these. Question number 9. Tiger sitting in the humble supplication just before when Tiger King hunted is an example of, and this is from the chapter The Tiger King. Options: A, irony and metaphor. B, metaphor and symbol. C, irony and humor. D, contrast and metaphor. Question number 10. The story Tiger King highlights. Options: A, wanton killing of tigers. B, respect to the king by the public. C. Scare of the king in the public. D. Ruthless hunting of tigers and autocratic king. Question number 11. Lost spring highlights. A. Spring which is lost. B. Spring which is lost from the lives of the rag pickers. C. Spring which is lost from the lives of the slum dwellers. And D. All of these. Question number 12. Wrapped in wonder means A. Covered in amazement. B. Surprise gifts. C. A and B both. And D. Source of entertainment. So dear students, hope you must have attempted all the questions by now. Now I am opening the answers before you so that you can tally your answer. So here are the answers to all the questions with correct options. Just have a quick look, keep telling your answers and assess where do you stand. And keep yourself safe from the pandemic coronavirus by staying safe at home. We'll meet again in the next video. Till then, bye bye. But before saying bye bye, let me once again remind you, please subscribe my channel if you have not yet done, and do press the notification icon. And if you like the video, do press the like button and share the video in order to reach it to the maximum students. We'll meet again. Till then, bye bye.